Hi guys, welcome back. Here's how you can quickly unlink audio and video in Premiere Pro when you're editing something using a footage and then you want to separate the audio and the video from the same footage. Without having to drag the same footage, and then you do this to cut the video, and then you use the audio to cut the audio of the video here. There's a faster way. To do this, right click on the footage and then click on Unlink, which will make the audio and video to be separated. Click on it. There you go. That's how you can quickly unlink audio and video from a footage in Premiere Pro. Okay, you can adjust the position of the audio and your video the way you want. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!